Preparing for your baby's first swimming lesson is an exciting milestone filled with anticipation and joy. As a new parent, you might be wondering how to make this experience enjoyable and safe for your little one. Here are some essential tips to help you get started. Before the big day, familiarize yourself with the basics of baby swimming. Consider attending a parent and baby swim class or watching instructional videos online. Understanding the fundamentals will boost your confidence and ensure a smoother experience. Next, gather the necessary gear. Invest in a quality swim diaper to prevent any accidents in the pool. A snug-fitting swimsuit and a soft towel are also must-haves. Don't forget a baby-friendly sunscreen if you'll be outdoors, and a hat for added protection. On the day of the lesson, arrive early to give your baby time to adjust to the new environment. Start with a warm shower to acclimate them to the water. This can help ease any initial apprehension. During the lesson, maintain eye contact and offer plenty of encouragement. Your calm demeanor will reassure your baby and help them feel secure. Introduce them to the water gradually, supporting their head and neck at all times. Remember, the goal is to make the experience fun and positive. Sing songs, play gentle games, and let your baby splash around. This will help them associate water with enjoyment. If your baby seems uncomfortable or upset, take a break. It's important to respect their pace and comfort level. Over time, they'll become more accustomed to the water. Swimming is a wonderful way to bond with your baby and introduce them to a lifelong skill. With preparation, patience, and plenty of smiles, your baby's first swimming lesson can be a delightful adventure for both of you.